Hello students, now we will continue with our remaining questions. Till question number 7 we have discussed in our first video. Now we will continue with question number 8. So our question number 8 is, find the circumference of a circle whose radius is 6 cm, 8 cm, 4.5 cm and 6.5 cm. Okay, here we have to use pi is equals to 3.14. Okay, so let us solve. This is the easy one, so I will solve this one. Okay, radius is equals to 4.5 centimeters. We know the formula, circumference is equals to 2 into pi into radius. Okay, so just put the value 2 into 3.14, multiply it with radius is 4.5 centimeters. Okay, now for easy calculation we will first multiply 2 and 4.5. So you will get 3.14 multiply with 9.0 because 45 2s are 90. So we will get 9.0. Now multiply 3.14 with 9. You will get 9 4s are 36. Okay, you will just put this 0 as it is. Okay, then 9 4s are 36, carry 3, 9 1s are 9, 10 11 12, 12 2, again 1 we will have carry, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 1 will be 28. Okay, 28. Where to put the decimal mark? 1 2 and 3 places, 1 2 and 3 places. Okay, so here we have got the circumference is equals to 28.260 centimeter. So I think you can solve this 8 centimeter and 6.5 centimeter radius question. So you will solve it by your own. Okay, now we'll move to the next question, that is, find the radius of a circle whose circumference is. Now see, in this case they have given us the circumference and we have to find the radius. Again very easy, it is only depend on the previous formula itself, just they have shifted the terms. So here we have 22 centimeters, circumference is given as 22 centimeters, therefore radius will be circumference divided by 2 pi. So you will write circumference is 22, divide with 2 multiplied by 22 by 7. Okay, 2 into 22 will give us 44. So 22 divided by 44 multiplied by 44 sevenths. Okay, now you know while doing the division of the fraction, this sign will get changed into multiplication and this term will get reciprocal. So we will have 22 multiplied by 7 44ths. So 22 ones are 22, 22 2s are 44. So we will get 7 halves. And 7 halves is nothing but 3.5 centimeter. Hence the radius of the circle will be 3.5 centimeter. Now we will solve this one. Here we have circumference is equals to 17.6 centimeters. Therefore radius is equals to circumference divide by 2 pi. Put the values. Circumference is 17.6 divide by 2 into 22 sevenths. Okay, so here we will get 17.6 divided by 44 sevenths, and that is equals to 17.6 multiplied by 7 divided by 44. So 44 and 17.6. So 22 2s are 44 and 22 8s are 177. So we will get here 0.8. Now again we can divide it with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 0s are 2 4s are. And now this 4 into 7 will give us 28, will put a decimal mark 2.8. Hence, radius of the circle is 2.8 centimeter. In this way you will solve this question. This two you can solve it by your own, and you can check your answer from the PDF which I am going to send you. Question number 10. Find the diameter of a circle whose circumference is. So in previous case we have to find the diameter, we have to find the radius. Now we have to find the diameter, and you know, if you can find the radius, you can find the diameter. Diameter is nothing but 2 multiplied by radius. So let's see how to solve this question. Circumference is equals to 66 centimeter and radius is equals to circumference divided by 2 pi. So we will put the value of circumference, that is 66, divide it with 2 into 22 sevens. 2 into 22 sevens will give us 44 sevens. So we will divide 66 with 44 sevens, and it will become 66 multiplied by 7 44ths. So 22 2s are 44, 22 3s are 66. Now 3 into 7 will give you 21, and here we have 2. So 21 divided by 2 will give us the radius, that is 10.5 centimeter. Now from radius we can find the diameter. Diameter is nothing but 2 into radius. So it will become 2 multiplied by 10.5, and that is equals to 21 centimeter. Hence the diameter is 21 centimeter. Okay beta, very easy. Now let us see the seventh question. B and D is your homework. You can solve it by your own and cross check it from PDF. So we have circumference is equals to 30.8 centimeter. Radius we will calculate as circumference divided by 2 pi. Put the values. 30.8 divided with 2 into 22 sevens. 30.8 divided by 44 sevens. 30.8 multiply with 7 44s. Okay. Now we will divide it with 2 first. We will get 22 over here. Here we will get 1s, 5s, 0.4s. Now we will divide it with 11. 11 2s, 11 1s, remainder will be 4. We will put a decimal mark and we will get 11 4s. Now again 1s and 0.7. 7 7s are 49. We will put a decimal mark before one digit. So it will become 4.9 centimeter. Hence, therefore, radius is equals to 4.9 centimeter. Therefore, diameter is equals to 2 into radius is equals to 2 into 4.9. That will be 2 9s are 18. Carry 1. 2 4s are 8 and 9. Okay. So 9.8 centimeter. Therefore diameter will be 9.8 centimeter if the circumference is 30.8 centimeter. Okay. So in this way we will solve question number 10. Now question number 11. Draw a circle of radius 3.8 centimeter. In this circle, construct a chord of length 4.2 centimeter. So first of all, we will draw the circle of 3.8 centimeter. We will just measure the distance of 3.8 centimeter in our compass. This is 3.5. We'll move this to 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so now we have 3.8 centimeter distance in our compass, as you can see here, and I will simply draw a circle. And next thing we have to do is we have to draw a chord of length 4.2 centimeter. So now for drawing the chord, what you will do, you will just put the 0 point on one of the point at the circle, and you will simply move it to get the chord of 4.2 centimeters. See, as you can see here, I will check where I will get the 4.2 centimeter, and I think here I got 2 points. See, here it is 4 centimeter and here it is 4.2 centimeters. Here it's 0, here it's 4.2. So we will simply join these 2 points and we will get the chord of, we will get A and B, and this is of length 4.2 centimeters. Okay, and we have this center O, and radius of this circle is 3.8. Radius of this circle is 3.8 centimeters. So very easy, you can draw this circle as well as the chord, as you can see here, right? Now question number 12. Now we have to draw two concentric circles of radii 4.5 centimeter and 5.2 centimeter. So first of all, we will draw this circle of 4.5 centimeter. For that, we will just take a distance of 4.5 in our compass. So here 4.5. We have got 4.5 centimeters distance here. Now we will just draw a circle. Now we will draw another circle with the same center, but the radius will be 5.2. Radius will be 5.2. As you can see here, this will be 5 centimeter, and now I am shifting it to 5.2. So I have measured the distance of 5.2 centimeter in my compass. And now I will again use the same center, but I have different radius in my compass, and now I will draw the circle. This one is my second circle, and as you know, if the center of the circle is same, okay, and the radius are different, then these two circles are known as concentric circle. And now we have to shade the ring. You know what is ring? Ring is the part between two concentric circles. So we will shade it. You can shade it in any way you want. I am just using lines to shade it. Okay. So you can use any of the, you can just shade it like this, or you can use the lines, no issues. So we will just shade it. And here we are finished with question number 12. Now we will move to the question number 13. Question number 13 is related to the interior and the exterior of the circle. Interior and the exterior of the circle. We have already learned that if a point is inside the circle, it is in the interior of the circle. If the point is outside the circle, it is at the exterior of the circle. And we decide this inside and outside with the help of length of the radius. So as you can see here, the question is, a circle is drawn with the center O and radius 5.5 centimeter. Write the position of each of the points A, B, C and D, E with respect to the given circle, where OA means point A. O is the center, right? Means point A. OA is 6.3. See, if OA is 6.3, that means it is greater than 5.5, because 5.5 is our radius, means it will lie outside the circle, that is exterior of the circle. So we will write, since OA is 6.3, which is greater than 5.5 centimeter, so A lies in the exterior of the circle. Okay, now we have OB. OB is 4.8 centimeter, which is less than 5.5 centimeter. So it will lie inside the circle, and hence we will write B lies in the interior of the circle. Now OC is given as 7 centimeter. Again 7 centimeter is greater than 5.5 centimeter. That means C will also lie outside the circle. Hence we will write C lies in the exterior of the circle. Now next is D point. OD is equals to 5.5 centimeter and we have radius is equals to 5.5 centimeter. That means this point D will lie on the circle, on the circumference of the circle. That's why we have written, so D lies on the circle. Now next and the last point is E point. We have OE is equals to 5 centimeter, which is 5 centimeter is less than the radius. That means it will lie inside the circle. Hence we have written OE is equals to 5 centimeter, which is less than the radius. So E lies in the interior of the circle. Okay beta, in this way we have completed this particular exercise 76. Now the remaining question which I have given as a homework, that you will solve by your own and you will check the answers in the PDF. I am going to send you the PDF, okay, as well PDF. So you just cross check and complete your notebooks. Thank you beta.